What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video, I have something that was a little bit unexpected, and I wanted to hop on here and film about it because it is too good to not talk about. So, story time. I received an email for an online exclusive drop from Louis Vuitton for a bag that I have loved forever, and it came out in a new color and was limited in stock and time as it was only an online drop. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger. I just got this package in the mail and I wanted to hurry up and unbox it for you guys so you could see it if you are still debating on getting it or waiting for it to come to the store, or if you already have it and you just want to see the size reference. I want to go ahead and unbox it for you as well as show you this beautiful bag. So if you are interested in seeing the online exclusive on the go in the Turtledove color, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, let's talk about how exciting this is that Louis Vuitton did this drop. I went in store this past weekend just to discuss with them, some of my thoughts about this and see what their thoughts were, because this is the second time that they have offered to me anyways an online exclusive drop. So she said that they're just trying new different things. So they're doing some exclusive online drops that will eventually be available in store, if at all. And this one in particular was the on-the-go bag in the size, so it's the smaller size, but in a color that is called Turtledove. And when I tell you I saw this online and I clicked that button so fast, I didn't even know what I was doing. It was like I blacked out and then I got a knock at the door from UPS. So here we are. I'm going to unbox it. I'm super excited. I hope it's as beautiful as the on-the-go that I have, which was actually the other online exclusive drop that I got an opportunity to shop for. And it is the larger size. It is the all leather. It is the black noir. And then this is the baby version of that in the nude color. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a box. I also brought my on-the-go in the larger size just in case you are debating on getting, another color or style, but you want to see for size reference what they look like. But I'm going to grab this box and we are going to unbox it together. It's a pretty big box. I'm going to have to back up this chair. Okay, so for such a small bag, it comes in quite a massive box. But here's the box. It was inside another box, but I took that out. And as you can see on the inside, it comes with, I'm assuming this is the receipt and the paperwork. And then this is the bag. And then at the bottom here, it does come with, I guess, the card and, I don't know why they didn't wrap it, the ribbon, I guess, in case you want to gift it to somebody. I'm over here breaking things. So here it is. I am so excited. And while I'm here, let me show you. This is the current one that I have. It is large and in charge, and I absolutely love this. I have used this so many times for so many different things. The leather, I don't even know. Yeah, is this leather? I don't know. I know the handles are leather. I'm assuming this part is canvas. I think that's correct. Also, these I know are leather, but the material on this is amazing. The structure of the bag is amazing. It's not too slouchy. It's not too stiff. It really is right in the middle. I love that it has shoulder straps and top handles. I love the inside color. This is a beautiful kind of like caramel camel color. I also love the fact that they put the logo massive on the front and then super tiny on the sides. I just think that gives it really nice dimension and texture. And this really is something that, like I said, I get great use out of. It is a large bag. This is, I guess pretty similar to the Neverfull, the larger Neverfull. It's definitely taller, wider, and more structured than the Neverfull. But as far as size comparison, I would compare this closest to the largest Neverfull that they have, which I also have as well. That is more of a slouchy bag, so completely different, but size reference, I would say it's closest to that. Now this is the baby version, and guys, I'm so excited for the size and the color because I've been really getting into these smaller bags lately. I don't know why. I never used to carry small bags at all, but here we are. So without further ado, I hope it's beautiful. Here is the Turtledove On The Go Louis Vuitton bag. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Wow, Turtledove is a perfect representation for this bag. Oh, the smell. Oh, my heavens. This is gorgeous. You guys, this truly is, like, if you think about Turtledove, that's exactly what this is. It's not completely nude, but it's not completely gray. It truly is right in the middle, and this size is phenomenal. I love that it's got the light gold hardware. It just gives it that little zing, that little chic sass. The inside, oh, I didn't realize the inside is same color, that beautiful, I guess it'd be like a taupe, a nude beige color. Wow, this is gorgeous. And of course, it comes with the leather shoulder straps. You can't go wrong with that. This is gorgeous. Look at the imprint on the side. How I love that. It's just very monochromatic, but still chic and beautiful. So I'm going to get up so you can see what it looks like on my frame. So for size reference, I am right under 5'8", so I'm 5'7", and this is what it looks like. See how just when the light shines, oh, so lightly, you can see that beautiful emblem, but it's still monochromatic and nice. I love the size of this, and then I'll show you, of course, with the shoulder strap on. How cute. And this is a true, like, nude tie-dye. I didn't even mean for that to happen, but as you can see, it truly is, like, right in the middle. It's not gray. It's not nude. It's Turtledove. It is Turtledove. So I'm going to show you in comparison with the GM. Look at this whopper. This is a whopper. And as far as the drop as well, I would say this one's a little bit closer, so it's not as long of a drop, so it fits right underneath your arm. This is more of a tote where it's going to have a longer drop. So as you can see there, this is more of the purse and more of the massive tote. So two completely different sizes. I'll show you two with the top handle. This is what they look like. So definitely something you could go with every day, and then definitely that large and in charge travel bag. Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. And I'm sure it's going to hold so much stuff. So let's talk about specs. It does have, like I said, the gold accents. It does not have feet. I'm sure you guys are familiar. It just has it stitched down. It's really nice and structured. On the inside, it does have that gold hook that you can clasp, so it's a little bit more shut since it doesn't have a zipper. It does have those two pockets and then the zipper pocket, and of course, like the larger size, it does have the shoulder straps. This is spring 2021. It is 13.8 inches in length, 10.6 inches in height, and 5.5 inches in width. It is embossed grain cowhide leather, so I just answered my own question there. It is leather. Grain cowhide leather trim, microfiber lining, gold colored hardware, and then of course the inside zip pocket, double pocket, and the handles. Good to know. So it is all leather, just different types of leather on the handles versus the embossed leather on the front. So really great bag. If you were looking at getting this or you've already gotten it, please let me know. If you have other ones from the collection, I would love to hear about it. I also have from this collection the wallet, which I absolutely love. I think this is a nice sleek wallet, and I love the fact that it's got the flat plain leather on the front and then the embossed just on the bottom and the back. I think that's a really nice touch. And I also love that if you wanted to wear these two together, it would totally match. You don't have to get the exact same color, but because they're that same leather, I love it. And I think it's a really nice look with this bag as well. I know that they also had the black with the beige available, but this just really spoke to me. I feel like I haven't had a really good nude purse ever, and so I really just wanted a full nude leather purse that would be neutral, that I could wear with just about anything. So let me know in the comments below if you've got this or if you've got other items from the launch. I know they had a couple of different styles of this bag available, and looking forward to see what you guys think about this amazing limited edition drop. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up my unboxing of the new Louis Vuitton On The Go MM in the Turtledove color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.